Listen, I get it. You want her to come because here's the brutal thing. For most women, it can take us forever. Say it with me. Forever to make her come. I understand. You're like, if this woman would just get to it, then I could get my rocks off, she could get her rocks off, and we would all be happy. We would all be having a motherfucking pleasure fest. Here's the reality. You might be missing something, and this is costing her from being able to come fast, which is costing you from being able to get your orgasm. Because I know why you want her to come. Because you don't want to be the selfish a-hole who's just coming to her for sex. No. You want to be seen as a good guy who's brought her pleasure, who made her come, and also, if you're really good in bed, let's just be honest, those of you who know how to make a woman come, when you're able to give that to her, you feel powerful, you feel sexy. You're like, yeah, I got that big dick energy, that who I am, that who I be. Yes, you want to feel like that. You want to feel like that powerful, masculine man that knows how to bring her pleasure, that knows how to make that orgasm happen, that knows how to make her come. And let me tell you, there's one thing that you are missing, and because you don't do this, you're making your life far more harder. You're making her vajayjay far more drier than it needs to be. Now, you might be thinking, oh, because you've been sold into all this BS that, men are visual and women, they just need flowers and then their little flower will open up for you. No, I'm gonna keep it real for you. And I'm gonna tell you the things that she's not telling you. And here's the thing. It's not just flowers that she needs. What she needs is one thing, and that is anticipation. She needs to know what the hell is gonna happen when she gets in that bedroom. Have you worked her up? Have you said dirty little naughty things to her throughout the day? Have you told her how you're gonna put it down on her body? Because if you haven't, then she has zero anticipation. She has nothing to look forward to. She has no visual. Her body has received zero messaging from you about what is gonna happen in the bedroom. And when she has zero anticipation on what's gonna happen, guess what? It is 10 times harder for her to be able to come in the bed. You, my man, wanna flip the script. Make your life easy, make her life easy. And that is start building that anticipation. Telling her, like, I'm gonna get in between your legs. And when I'm in between your legs, your body is gonna explode like the 4th of July fireworks show. I live in France, so Bastille Day. You're gonna explode in ways you ain't never exploded before, girl. When I get in between those legs, that beautiful flower in there is gonna be loved. She's gonna blossom in ways that she has never blossomed before. And I am the man that is going to give you that experience. When you come with that kind of energy, when you build that kind of anticipation, she can't wait to get in the bedroom for her. Her pussy's gonna be so wet, she's like, oh, I can't wait till he puts it down on me like that. And I've been fantasizing all day, and he reminded me of 50 Shades of Grey, of Christian Grey, the way he was talking to me, and I just know that this man is gonna put it down on my body tonight. And guess what? When you show up in the bedroom with her, I promise you, when you take the time to build anticipation when you start making out to her, before you even put your hands in between her slit, you will know that girl is already wet. And how will you know that? Because you, my man, were a G and you were building up that anticipation all mother freaking day long. So when you do that, when you go between her legs, you can already feel that pre-cum coming out of her legs. And it's just a matter of time before you get in there and wiki, boom! She comes for you like the 4th of July. Like she ain't never come before. Why? Because you, my man, built the anticipation. Now listen, I got a video that's gonna take this even further. It's gonna help you reach that female pleasure inside of her like she's never experienced. It's a free 15-minute training video telling you exactly how to build that anticipation, build that attraction for her so that she can reach the ultimate pleasure that she ain't never had before, that she's never even experienced from you before. And you're gonna learn exactly how to do that by clicking the link in the description. It's in the comment section. It's a free training for you so that you can really master building that anticipation, getting in there, knowing what the job is before, communicating that to her, and then having the tools, the techniques to, once you're in between her legs, the Holy of Holies, that you, my man, know how to put it down on her. If this video resonated, just put freedom in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you doing with your life? Hit that subscribe button, like this video, and I'll be back with more fire for your life.